Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view all the details about a particular employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, in the landing page, all the details about the employee is displayed. In order to view the details view page of any particular employee, the user can simply click on the entry against their name in the landing page, and all the personal details of the employee is displayed. These details are the same details that have been individually fetched during the creation of the employee's data as well as the completion profile details of the same. This view is an all-in-one view where all the aspects and details about the particular employee can be viewed. The HR admin persona can edit and also view the edit history for all the details that have been entered within the details view page. Thank you for watching.